Tell us about how you practice Zen or meditate today.
Part of it is being able to have a schedule. And so this is part of my advice to people who are just starting to meditate is my own practices, because it is hard. It is hard to take the time of day to be able to sit down. It's sort of, oh, I've gotten busy, I've got other things to do. So part of it is having a hook. When do you do it? And for me, one of the other things I do is I try to swim in the ocean just about every day of the year. And so go to the ocean, have a swim, and that's my time, my cue. All right, now is the time to meditate. And I just do that. So just in my back garden, eyes open, facing the wall. And what I do is I set a timer for 12 minutes. And 12 minutes, 10 or 12 minutes is actually enough to get practice your attention and to get into a different mode and to actually feel the immediate benefits from that. And if after 12 minutes says, oh, okay, I'm feeling really busy, I just want to get back to it, then I do. If not, I continue to sit and to experience that state and to go deeper into that. And I think there's real value in not trying to say, oh, I'm going to meditate half an hour a day. If you make it far more achievable, you're far more likely to do it. And you can still continue to extend as you have the opportunity or the inclination. And so that's just a simple part of my everyday practice, which is and then the other critical part of that is to enjoy it. Can't say it's not like a chore. This is, oh, I've got to go and do this. Say, well, now is the time. I'm away from everything else, just sitting here, appreciating I am alive and seeing the world. And that is, incredible little, a wonderful part of the day.
Have you found that practicing meditation and Zen for you, you're able to focus more in the job and when you're working?
Absolutely. And I should say that, as I said, meditation is not the only way to practice attention. And one of the other practices which I very strongly recommend is that everybody should at least once a week, or at least 90 minutes, have a period of focused work. And this means that there's emails not open, there's nothing which will buzz or ding or make any sounds. You won't be interrupted. And you can, for 90 minutes, say, there's one thing I'm going to do. In the middle of that 90 minutes, for 5 minutes, you can get up and stretch and move around, but not check your phone. This is a way of practicing attention. And it's hard to just do the one thing and not distraction, not be try to check something else for a period of time. But doing that every week means not only you get 75 hours of really focused work on whatever it is that's really important to you every year, but that is another way of practicing your attention. And so that's another thing I do is I block out periods of time where I'm just saying, this is one thing which I'm doing, no distractions, nothing else. And that's, again, a way of not only refining and practicing your attention, but actually getting a lot of things done.